So this is the Aldi Mulled Wine Warmer, and I think it's been superb in a brew in a bag solution. It does have one problem though. The connection here is a little small and it does get a bit blocked. So I'm going to try, which is a little daring for me, a bit of surgery on my warmer. I'm going to take this socket off and I'm going to replace it with a valve that looks more like this. It's going to involve drilling. This is what we have inside. It is pretty small. That required a bigger spanner than I expected. So that's the new connection, that's the old connection, that's the magnitude of the difference. So I'm just going to widen this hole a bit at a time. Quite easy to do. It's looking a bit bent and not very drilled. Go for a bigger bit. There was a massive burr on the inside, which drilling from the inside has mostly removed. Let's see how close we are to fitting. This is the fitting that needs to go through. Which it does. Wow, moment of truth, doesn't it fit? Well, it's attached. The only spanner I had that would fit it is a pre-war, that's World War I, spanner from my great-granddad. 5/8 of an inch. So, the question is it waterproof? So, we've got some water in there. That's the socket down there. And seemingly no leaks. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.